best way to describe our farm is artisanal, which means hands-on. We're artisan growers of stone fruits, lots of different varieties. Cherries, apricots, peaches, nectarines, plums. And what we've done is we've selected the best of these different fruits based on flavor. So it's a kind of a combination of heirloom fruits and the best of the commercial varieties and even some new introductions. Most people settle on one or two varieties when they grow a couple of varieties. I have probably 20 different varieties of apricots. We'll go around a tree maybe half a dozen times just picking the ripest fruit, the fruit that's at its peak in quality. It used to be that a lot of the fruit was dried, apricots and prunes, and it was packaged and sold all over the world. And that's how the Santa Clara Valley had the worldwide reputation for its fruit. We have fruit tastings are kind of modeled after wine tasting. So we'll have as many as 80 different varieties of fruit. And they come here and they taste them. They realize there's a whole new world out there.